I think we're on YouTube now. How's it going? John here, software engineer, about 10 years of experience. Today I'm working on Aria's Tail. So Aria's Tail has its own repository now. I just did an initial commit, creating the T3 app. Shouldn't be marked as closed yet. Did it get marked as closed? That is not intentional. So it's not quite deployed yet, but that's the thing we're doing today. And there's a bunch of other issues that we're definitely not going to get to today, but you can kind of get a feel for what we're doing. Basically, the first thing that I want to do is enable the stream that's going to happen on Saturday. So on Saturday, we're going to do 2 more episodes of Aria's Tale. And if you attended the last episode, the AI tool, this is the AI tool, the Aria's Tale Roleplay Assistant. It was mid, like there's room to improve. So that's the first thing that I want to improve. The second thing that I want to improve is a character generator. So whether we have the character generator in the roleplay assistant or in the website, either way, I'm happy with that. And then we're going to use the new website to experiment with a new architecture, the TRPC architecture. I'm still using Prisma. I'm not using Drizzle. I am not using the app router. So it's a big step, but we're still keeping it like similar to the Blitz style that we're familiar with to make sure we can develop really quickly and get a feel for that. I'm really excited to use TRPC in the T3 stack specifically because it has a huge number of users. So the weekly downloads on TRPC are like 500K compared to like 5K for Blitz RPC. Cool, so that's where things are at. And then it'd be really great to get like sign up working tonight. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but it would be cool if y'all could log into the website, right? So we'll go for that. That'll be like a stretch goal. All right. So the issue at hand is the Discord ID client, which I was surprised to learn that T3 has a Discord like client by default. I don't really know like what it does. But I do want Discord integration, so that'll be cool. I'm not really sure like why it even has Discord integration. So off screen over here, I have the discord.com developer apps, and we need to basically get these environment variables in there. So these are the ones, database URL, we're going to go for Supabase. We need to do that one too. So now we can go over to Supabase and set that up. And I think we need to close the FutureCaster API. Here, I'll just try to make a new one, but I think it's going to tell me that I'm limited on the free tier, which great reason for y'all to support the maintainers, ladderly.io. Please consider pay what you can. So there's cool features like this site will teach you how to learn to code for free, and you get access to this checklist that helps you land your first or next programming role. So that's the free tier. There's like a chat bot as well. And then for as little as $1 a month, you get access to the advanced checklist. I should hyperlink that, by the way. But anyway, click it here. And it improves the statistical velocity of your job search. And you can get more money when you make an offer, all that kind of stuff. So whether or not you're interested in those features, do consider signing up on the paid plan just to support these projects. And you can see it's ladderly.io will be supported, but also Aria's Tale and all of the other projects that the community develops will be supported. Cool. So with that digression, let's go back and try to make a new project in the Vanderveers org. Call this Aria's Tale. We'll call it Aria's Tale DB. Suggest a strong password. Oh, okay. You're going to show that on the screen. Let me grab it off screen real quick. Ba-da-da-da-da, I'm loving it. Did y'all hear that Okta got hacked recently? Embarrassing. Speaking of password protection. Okay, so we're creating this project. Oh, man. I defaulted to California. US West. Bummer. I shouldn't have done that. So is the creator learning to code? No, I've been coding for like 10 years, but the project is like for the community to learn to code. Omar Gul, question. How much files do you need to upload for 100 gigs on Supabase? That's a trick question, right? You can do 100 gigs in one file if you want to. It depends on your file. It depends on your per file size. What's going on, Omar Gul? Good to see you. You got a new profile picture, though. Okay, we spun up Aria's Tail DB. Here we go. We in the house. Do, 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 do. Sorry, I don't know what music that was. If you're on TikTok, by the way, reminder, we are also streaming to YouTube and Twitch now. Wish I could get that camera focused a little better, huh? Oh, let me show my screen on YouTube, which I wasn't doing. Ba-da-da-da-da-da. Cool. All right, now I'm showing my screen on YouTube. If you upload 100 GB and deleted, does that space still available, or Supabase will ask you to buy more? Yeah, I think once it goes through garbage, then you get the space back. I mean, you know, if you have any questions, reach out to Supabase, but I think that's the case. So I think you can go through like multiple hundreds of gigs if you like upload, delete, upload, delete. All right, cool. So now I need to get my database URL. Whoa, how are there 2 requests on the DB already? Am I getting hacked? That's great. Project settings. Let's see. Thanks for clarifying that. You're very welcome. Thanks for bringing the questions. I always love the chat interaction. Yo, I'm so tired though. So let's see. Storage, nope. General. Where's the node? Oh, is it under integrations? How does the Vercel integration work? Supabase will keep your environment up to date. Fuck yeah, let's try this. I don't think I've tried any of these before. Okay, we love a new tool, huh? Select a Vercel account. Me. Look at my little picture, homie. All projects? No, let's go specific projects. For now, we'll do art. Dang. In theory, it would be good to do all projects because I have like 3 or 4 other projects on Supabase. One step at a time. One step at a time. That do be cool though. So we add the integration. Okay. For Aria's Tail. Boop, boop. This is awesome. That's not the environment variable name that T3 Stack uses. It uses database URL, but that's okay. Cursor ID is magic, 100x productivity. Yeah, did they install Turbo yet? Like I did another update with them a week ago and it still was not there. It was, I don't know, man. It was not that good for me, but anyways. It's going to get there definitely next year, I believe. But they didn't have GPT Turbo installed and that's like a big deal. Database branching, yo, Supabase is wilding out, actually. Supabase is wilding out, actually. They got the faster PG vector now. I have like 3 Supabase shirts. And I have 1 or 2 of their hoodies. I'm definitely a Supabase simp. Look forward to becoming a Cursor simp, but I just can't do it yet. It's just not that good yet. Let me throw on some more lighting. Let's see. Boop. Whoa, the lighting went crazy. All right, so we're trying to get this thing deployed, right? Discord client ID. And now I see, okay, let me show you what I'm seeing. I just refreshed my environment variable page in Vercel, and all of these bad boys are chilling. They're like, what's up, dog? So I love that. So I'm going to add my Discord client ID, which is, that's the one that T3 wants me to do, right? Discord client ID. All right, I'll go ahead and hit save. Boop. Now I'm going to grab the, let's see, Postgres URL and change it to whatever T3 calls it. T3 calls it database URL. Discord calls it database URL. Okay, so here's the key. And let me go Postgres here. I guess what I could do is change it in the environment variable file name, right? But I'm going to go ahead and I'm fine duplicating it. Postgres URL. You know what? Yeah, why am I duplicating it though? Database URL. How many places is it used? It's not that many. This is like different project as well. Yeah, let's call it Postgres URL. Postgres Prisma URL. Oh, that's cool. It has a dedicated Prisma URL. Postgres URL, Postgres Prisma URL, Postgres host. I don't want to be changing it all the time. Boop, 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 boop. I'll use database URL. Do you need Postgres URL, password, etc.? I think Supabase will give you in, on, and key. I do need that stuff, right? I do need that stuff. Here's the Postgres URL non-pooling. I don't know. Do I want pooling? I'm actually not sure. Ah, yeah, Supabase. Y'all got to help me out with that. You got to make it simpler next time. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take a guess, but I don't like guessing. Shout out to Supabase. Don't make me guess, homie. All right, we're going to go for Postgres Prisma URL. Cross your fucking fingers, I guess. Okay. Changing all the values. Changing all the values. Why, though? I think I am misunderstanding. Why, though, what? Why do I need the URL and everything? Because when I run my database client on my machine, I need to point at the database. Yeah, dig. database URL. This is going to be Postgres Prisma URL. We're still in Aria's tail. Okay. We're still in Aria's tail. We're no longer in Aria's tail. Bye. All right, cool. So these are the cases with this URL. And this is like, so the other ones are like the fake ones. This is like the real one. So I'm going to grab this off screen and fill it out. I saw the value. Can you automatically not create a init for Supabase file and it'll automatically connect to SB? It doesn't quite work that seamlessly today. Why SQLite instead of Postgres? What up, Autoglass? I'm not using SQLite. That's just what the starter starts with. I'm converting to Postgres right now. Good to see you. Thanks for joining. It's been a while, eh? So my Discord client ID, now I need my Discord client secret. Big project, it's amazing now. Awesome, yeah, hit me up on Discord, I'll take a look at it. So here's the Discord client secret is the next thing I need. So I'm just adding stuff into that Vercel, and I have the discord.com developer over here. Okay. Got that saved in Vercel. Got it saved in my local env file. And I don't know if that's going to be sufficient to fix it now. Do I need the next auth URL? You can generate a new secret on a command line with this. Oh, okay, so I can just make one up, eh? Okay, let's make one up. Using RPC instead of REST. Cool. I thought RPC was built on top of REST, eh? I guess it doesn't have to be, but remote procedure calls are very commonly done over REST. You can do them over like gRPC or whatever though. So that's cool. Next auth secret. Yeah, we can add that. And what's the value? The value is the thing that I saved over in my env file. Oh, that's my env example file. Let me Command Z on that. Awkward. Okay, so now I have populated all the things that earlier. With the one caveat being that I changed database URL over to the one Supabase gave me. So I have next auth secret. I don't have next auth URL. Okay, so I think we want to decide on the deployment URL. We can also deploy without auth and then do a second deployment with auth. I think let's try to do that. So deployments, let's do a new deployment. Redeploy. Cool. So this is the whatever random domain, but it has a hash in there, the N4R. I don't want the hashed cache breaking domain. I want the stable domain. So that's the one, the stable domain is the one that I'm going to set as the environment variable. But there's a bit of a chicken and an egg because the environment variable needs to be there or I'm seeing this. Big sad. One way I think I can fix this is that locally, I'm expecting it's going to be localhost 3000. Okay, so let me bring back my VS Code now. So maybe I can get it working on local, but I don't necessarily know what the next step after that is. But hey, one step at a time, eh? So we can do npm run db push. Does this work? Okay, and you're mad because the URL must start with the protocol file. Ah, no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't, you silly error. Because you still think I'm fucking with SQLite, but I'm not. So, is it like that? Yo, when using MySQL SQL driver, uncomment the whatever. Excuse me. I mean, I'm not gonna use those, but fine. I'll leave the comment there. That's fine. Oh, Discord authorization. It's Discord-based authorization is why T3 has the Discord thing. That's kind of cool. That's kind of cool, man. Question, can we Spark streaming to copy data from Postgres? I don't know if you meant to say Spark on purpose. Are you talking about like Apache Spark, like actual Spark? Or was that like a typo? You want to use Spark streaming to copy data from Postgres? It's possible. Okay, you said yes. Okay. Yeah, that is possible. That's pretty damn complicated, but it is possible, yes. Oh, thanks for the likes. 10x Beck. What up, gang? Thanks for being here. Structured streaming. Hey, Excel buddy, yes, you can do that. Postgres supports structured streaming. It's just it's kind of complicated, but yeah, it does. Okie dokie. Your database is now in sync. Oh, awesome. Hey, look at that. When I get hit with a database question, then my app starts working or something. Any lead for where I can get the code? It's more than code. It's also configuration, right? Oh, let's see if good old GPT knows. Here, let's see. How can I set up my Postgres database for streaming with Apache Spark? Kafka connector is a good call. Yo, dude, GPT is overpowered, y'all. GPT is actually overpowered. Bro, it's dropping Scala right now. I don't think y'all understand how wild this is. It just dropped the Scala script for that. Hey, Excel buddy, here you go. That is so wild, dude. Yeah, so I would get started with GPT-4 and then kind of take it from there. Check out this dope picture. All right, what are we doing? I'm trying to get the website worky. Okay, so this time it wants to complain for a different reason. Incremental progress. We love it. No such file or directory referring to the next build ID. Okay, so let me npm run build. We got next 14. Ooh. JB, long time. How's it going? Look at that. Look at these tiny KB green colors on my screen. Love to see it. Do I have my local host? Let's go! Let's go. What is this font, dude? I hate this font. There's something I'm going to change immediately. Inmediatamente. But that's really cool. Hello from TRPC. Sign in, okay? Let's try. Sign in with Discord. Invalid. Okay. Abby, what up? Thanks for the likes. Okay, invalid. So how do I fix this? It's a good start, y'all. Let me take this off the screen because I'm going to look at my environment variables real quick. The things are there. Okay, so maybe on the Discord side, it's not allowed. Maybe on my app side, it's allowed, but on the Discord side, it's not allowed. You must specify at least one URI for authentication to work. Your boy guessed it. I think I guessed it. So we're going to add a redirect. Okay, save changes. Let me show you. I think I can show you what I just did. Refresh the screen. Client secret is obfuscated. Okay, all I did is I added this localhost 3000 right here. That's all I did. And I want to add another one for my Vercel prod, but I don't think I have a Vercel prod right now, do I? Maybe I do have a Vercel prod, it's just not used. Domains. Okay, cool. So I can go ahead and add that as well. So let's check that. And well, that'll be HTTPS, I think. So I'll add another HTTPS : / boom : 3000. Let's save that. Boop. So you see what I'm doing on the Discord side. Now, will it blend? I hate that font so much. Okay, it's still saying invalid. Thanks for the follow. Authorization method. Pick the scopes and permissions your applications needs to function. Okay, so now let me kind of think out loud with you. I'm noticing the authorization method down here is none, and I wonder if I need to pick one of the other things, if that's like what's kind of jamming my banana, if you will. You know what I mean? I need to shave. And I like can't scroll. Are there only 3 options? None, in-app, custom URL. Like, I don't know. It feels kind of like custom URL right now. Thanks for the follow. Thanks for the likes. Y'all are amazing. Generate an invite link for your application by picking the scopes. Oh no, I'm so sleepy. Bot? What is the bot? Bring your app to life on Discord with a bot user. Be part of chat in your users' servers and interact with them directly. That's going to be fire whenever that's ready, but it's not quite ready yet. Okay. Interactions endpoint URL. I don't know, bro. I don't know at all. Let's read the documentation. How about that? You know you're getting desperate when you have to read the documentation. Under client secret, click reset secret and copy that to over there. Okay, we did that. Add redirect. Ooh. Okay, well, I know, chat. I know. I should have read the documentation. All right, I know, dude. I know. I just don't like reading, okay? All right, fine. App URL slash thingy, thingy, thingy. Okay, so we're over here, and now I'm just pasting that. That's all I'm doing. Okay. I just need a win at this point. You know what I mean? Let me get a dub in the chat. Let's go. I just need it for my ego. Is this shit gonna work? Shoo! We win. We win, chat. We win. Okay. That's fucking legitty. That's fucking legitty right there. Okay, I hate this font. Whatever, it doesn't matter. We'll deal with it later. That's a weird font, right? It's like Times New Roman, but like bubbly. It's like Times New Roman, but like with like some like ink blot kind of stuff going on, mixed with a pudding. What am I doing? I just want to get to prod is what I'm doing. Okay, genuinely. So now let's go to my deployments. So why is it not working? Let's look over here. Invalid environment variables. Well, now that I know I have valid local environment variables, let's check out what is in a silly goofy mood on Vercel. These all seem fine. Can close this. That's really cool, Superbase. I'm glad you're doing that. These connections will be part of a GitHub workflow that's currently in development. I think that is GitHub version controlled database branching, which is going to be stupid. It's going to be so fucking retarded. This is looking good. Okay, so what do I have, like a user? Did it set up a user table? Hold on, let me look at this. It made a record. And I have an avatar? Like what? Hold on. Is it just my Discord reference? Okay. It copied the reference. That's still really cool. It did that like all automatically. T3 out for the win. Okay, so yeah, that's me, my database record. There's my user ID. It's a text user ID. Fine. And then T3 app. So what is the issue, dude? Like it seems like it's working, eh? Theo. It is possible but not recommended to use the same Discord application for both development and production. You could also consider mocking the provider during development. I feel like I can deal with that later. I understand the issue there. TRPC kitchen sync with next auth. Okay, great. Whoa, the light mode is like not it. Using database sessions is the recommended approach, and you should read up on JWTs before switching to the JWT session strategy to avoid security issues. Nope, database tokens look good to me. Next config loading error. I don't care. See, this is the part that's not helpful. This is the part that's not helpful. Invalid environment variables. Which one, homie? Which one? Did I not put the secret in the Vercel UI? Okay, so let's go to, here we're in Aria's tail, great, settings. Environment variables, great. Discord client secret, yes. Discord client ID, yes. Next auth URL, next auth secret. Oh, am I missing the next auth URL? Okay, this could be the issue. Alrighty. Right, for prod we didn't do that because we didn't know the frozen domain, but now we kind of do. Because we went over here to the place that now I'm like not looking at, so that's bad. We do, because I put it in my Discord app side. So this is the domain we're gonna freeze on. So y'all should be able to, I mean, it's not working yet, but momentarily y'all should be able to go sign up. Is that wild? What is the name of this variable again? Next auth URL. That's okay. Okay, so now we go to deployments. We got one more error. That's fine. We're going to try one more time. We'll try one more time. It would be nicer if the T3 thing told you, like, what is the error? Clay, hello, first time in here, but this looks amazing. What you working on? What's up? What's up? We're working on an RPG. It's open source. Here's the GitHub, Aria's Tail RPG. And right now we're just trying to get like the website out so that you can log in. Here's localhost. I logged into localhost, but we're trying to get it to prod. T3 stack, TypeScript, Prisma ORM. And so that's just getting the website working, and it's going to get integrated to Discord. But the real sauce is that we are going to play RPGs with it, and it's going to like generate characters and images, and in the future, even video and audio. So character generator right there. Dope. That's awesome. Thank you so much. Deontay, what up, gang? Long time. So I'm working on the coding side of things, chat. Let me know if that's cool. If you want to switch over to the game side of things, we can do that as well. Like, I'm good either way. MacBook Air Pro. This is the Air, but I'm going to get the Pro. I'm literally going to get it in the next, within 6 months, and probably less than that. But, you know, you got to respect the budget and all that. Said Mavlos, still don't understand anything. Can you explain in layman English? Yeah, said Mavlos. Here's the English explanation. We're making a website that is going to help us play games. That's it. That's it. So what it complains about? Invalid environment variables. Oh, expand 43 lines. Okay. Thanks for the follow. Database URL. Okay. See, here we go. And I think I know what's going on. I never merge it to prod, right? Let's check my theory. You ready? So here I am. I'm in VS Code. Say git branch. Now we already merged this. So I'm going to make another one, which is git checkout -b. This, I'm going to say part 2. And I'm going to say db var name change. Okay. Git branch to check out that it worked. Git fetch origin. Or no, hold on. Git log -1. So you can see move app up a level is what I did. Oh, did I never commit it? Okay, well, there you go. I never committed it. So that's the problem. Is it possible to get a sweet job without a college degree? Just curious. The answer is yes. Yes, it is. In fact, something like 20% of programmers do not have a college degree. Okay, so I'm going to stage these because I forgot to stage them. Okay, and git commit -m. M is for message. The message here, we're going to do a feat, F-E-A-T, feature. Use PG for Postgres. Push it real good. Yeah, I do want to whatever. That's fine. Okay, so I'm going to command click. It pops open GitHub. Feature use PG. These are the changes. So we'll create that pull request. Boop. And let's look at this build this time. You can see this is making what we call an ephemeral environment. So good. Vercel is so overpowered, y'all. Do you have some CDI/CD with GitHub Actions? I do. It's all through Vercel. Isn't that wild? It's so easy. Or is this something else? It is not something else. It's a Vercel integration, and it uses GitHub Actions, but I don't have to code it. They do it for me. It's just a few clicks for me. It's really wild how they do that. We are green. Gang, we're green. Gang, we're green. So this is the ephemeral. This is not localhost anymore. You see, you can access that URL if you want to. That's the ephemeral. It's not prod, but it's still a public. And now I'm going to promote to production. Actually, I don't need to manually promote. I can merge the PR. That's awesome. I heard about Vercel. Is it free? They have, yeah, it's free. So it's not like unlimited usage for free, but they have a true forever free tier, and it's my favorite in the industry. Like it's the only one I use. Sometimes I'll use Netlify, rarely. And I like GitHub Pages, the static site. If you don't need auth, if you don't need a database, if it's like a static site, GitHub Pages is still fantastic because it's all right there in GitHub. But it's like if I'm freelancing, if I'm doing side projects, I'm going to Vercel. And the Vercel Supabase combo is just like it's just elite, dude. It's so elite. Let's protect main, yeah, for sure. Require a pull request before merging. Yes, please. One approval is fine. Dismiss stale when new commits are pushed. Yeah. Require a review from code owners. Not today. Most recent reviewable push. I think it's fine. Status checks to pass before merging. Seems like a good idea, right? But I'll let the overrides happen. Allow force pushes. I mean, if you're the pull requester, you can force push, but I don't want other people force pushing over you. That would be fucked, right? Use GitHub Mobile. All right. BRB, y'all. Yeah, I do have a Discord. I'll check my bio. You can find it. Do you know of any open source projects a beginner can work on? That's me. That's the project you're looking at is great for beginners, or latterly.io. Good questions. I'm so glad y'all are here. The answer is sign up at latterly.io and come to the Discord. And Latterly is open source. Okay. There's these issues, and there's like good first issues too. So you can go over here, go to the issues tab. You see it says good first issue. That'll be great for you, gang. All right, I'll be right back. I got to fix my GitHub thing. Are we working? Everything is back. Tap the screen in the chat if you can hear me. Oh, cool. Thank you so much. All right, we're back. So here's my logo host. Now we got main protected. Okay, looking good. And now we have a green deployment and we merged main. And so now we should be looking at production. So let me check out my domains. Here's the project. Got the main domain. All right, y'all. Okay, let me do it one last time. Make sure it works. Ooh. Did not work. Why did it not work? Aria's tail RPG Vercel.app. It is HTTPS, right? Oh, okay. You see, I put the port 3000 on there. I shouldn't do that. That was the issue. All right, so let me go back to the home page. I'm gonna clear the cache real quick, just in case any cooties got in there. You don't want cooties. Okay, let's try it again. That's a green flag. All right, hit the button. Sheesh, we in here. All right, y'all can go sign up right now. Y'all can literally go sign up. arias-tail-rpg.vercel.app. And I will put this in the GitHub as well. Aria's tail. Oh, I already put it there. That's crazy. Oh, maybe Vercel put it there, actually. Okay, so y'all can go sign up right now. Now, to be fair, it's just signing up at the moment. Like, it doesn't do anything. But that way you will have an account, because like we're going to be rolling out features like every week, right? So go ahead, sign it up, blow it up. Okay, let's see if we can do something else in the next, I don't know, 20 minutes or something. So what's the next thing we want to do? We got the local host. We got this. I mean, the first thing we should do is change like the name of stuff. What is the website? It is arias-tail-rpg.vercel.app. And so here we are going to work on the character generator next. Reddit and Discord. Discord, just a laterally gaming channel. This is a good first issue. Want to try to get 100 people to sign up in the next, probably month. Probably give it a month. So user sign up is already closed, actually. Technically it works through Discord, so it's not like my own auth. So we'll put this as medium priority. Labels medium term. You can sign up with Discord due to, well, let's keep this open for site native sign up and maybe Google social sign in. Okay, so I want to work on the character generator next. So go over here. This is issue what? Issue 9. Just signed up. That was quick and easy. Love to see it. We love to see it. All right, so thanks for the follow. So let's make a character generator. Let's see if GPT-4. Oh, okay. Here's what we'll do. Design a new website for my Aria's Tail game tools. It will eventually include a blog, a rulebook, a character generator, a lore book, GM, or like session, or like game chat, real time with socket.io and stuff. And 6, sync 00022. What up? Wake up and relax. How do we fast forward this video? Yo, your username is wake up and relax, and you want to fast forward? Just relax. Just relax, gang. There's gonna be game chat and GM tools like die roller, like a die roller and stuff. Good tutorial, my man. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks for being here. Deontay, I might give up and buy a GPT-4. I highly recommend it. I mean, it depends on where you're at. If you're like in high school or whatever, it's probably extra. But definitely if you're working as a programmer or a knowledge worker, it's so unrivaled. Like the free one is just not even close. How much per month for GPT-4? $20. It's $20 a month. This is a foundational blueprint. Given the context you have about the game and website I am making, I have now started building the site with the T3 or like create, what is it? Create T3 app. I've now started building the site with the Create T3 app tool using TypeScript, Prisma, TRPC, and Next.js. Given the context you have about the game and website I'm making, design a mock-up of the main landing page where external users will land and hopefully sign up with Discord. Sign up by clicking a Discord sign up button. Is it worth it? I think it is. How does it compare to Midjourney with the image quality? Midjourney is better, for sure. So, yeah, if you're trying to get like the best possible image quality, Midjourney still beats it. The reason I like it is because it does all the stuff that Midjourney doesn't do. It has this chat, like you don't chat with Midjourney. It has code compiler. It has custom GPTs, and I get the images for free. So even though they're not like the world's best images, they're good. They're good, and they're for no extra cost. Where Midjourney is not cheap, right? But yeah, Midjourney image quality is better. What? All right, scale of 1 to 10, chat. This is kind of good, yo, to be honest with you. Damn. Now I feel like I need to make a town called He Who in the game. Looks realistic to what someone would actually make. That's what I'm saying. It can do mock-ups for you. Okay, so I think we want to do this. Ask them to grab that background photo. No, for real, I can. Like I already can. For the main heading, H1, and the copy under it above the main sign up button, What should the copy say? AI Dancer, what up, gang? Thanks for being here. Hey, reminder, y'all, I'm streaming to YouTube as well if you want to see the full screen. So, okay, embark on an epic journey with Aria's Tale. I love it. So let's go over to my code. We're gonna look for the H1. Gonna look for the H1. Oh, I think wifey just got home, y'all. So I'm probably gonna piece real quick. Hi.
Hi.
I launched a new website and you can sign in with Discord.
Cool. You want to launch a new girl with me?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, y'all. Thanks for being here. Follow the page, follow the YouTube. I love y'all. Check out the, okay, and by the way, if you want to like chat about this stuff, there's the Discord on Latterly. So come by the Discord, latterly.io, and you can learn to code and you can help contribute to this thing is open source. So you can help build it with me if you want to. Talk to you later. Bye.